Hey guys, welcome back. No work being done in this episode, but I want to give you a quick update because we've got some exciting deliveries coming. We've got a lot of the parts that we need for this car. We've got the headlights, the wiper motor, the steering box, all the internal parts, all the vents, sun visors, rear view mirror. You've seen the seats already. We've got all the door parts come in. I've still got to get that door off, so I probably have to tip the car back on its side to drill those out. Around the back, we've got the glass, the boot seals, the fuel tank straps, the sender, the filler cap. We've got lights. We've got new leaf springs come in, and we'll be getting all the new parts to put those on. We've got a chassis come in. The chassis is from a Rialto rather than a Regal. A Regal chassis is £500 to £1,000. Rialto one's £100. So we'll do a bit of project work sorting that out. We've also got the engine come in, but I'm not going to announce that just yet. So what I've been doing around here, you saw me get the axle off. These are feeling in good condition, but I am going to strip these down. I'm going to change the bearings. I'm going to change the seals. We know this one over here is leaking anyway. This is our steering box. I set this little rig up so we could test it. And steering box is working fine. But we've got the hole in there, and that's broken. So we've got a new box, a new shaft, but no internals. So I'm going to swap those over. So other project-wise, let's give you a quick update of everything we've got going on here. So we've got the bongo. If you saw the other videos on the conversion, that's the fuel tank that we've got in there. This has been sat with a mix of engine oil and veg oil, which I've been told you shouldn't do because it polymerizes. It's been sat in there now for 5 weeks with no running. So when we come to run that, it'll be quite interesting to see what's in the bottom of that, see what the filter's like, and see if it actually runs okay. The other project we got going on is the Sonata rocket. So we have developed a tick on the engine. So I'm going to get this started so you can see. There we are. And if you can hear that tick. Running a bit rough this morning. Now again, this one has been running for about 5 weeks with that tick. I don't know if it's a sticky riser or if it's an exhaust gasket, but the tops of the cams are leaking. Turn it back off. The tops of the cams are leaking, and we do get a bit of blue smoke every now and again. So I think what I'm going to do is a full top end rebuild, new rings, new gaskets, the whole lot. But I will do that once we have finished the Regal. So that's it, guys. That's a quick update for you. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, please do like and subscribe. And I shall give you an update as soon as the parts arrive. And I will announce the engine. Cheers. Ta-ra. Stay safe. I've got to show you this. My wife thinks it's really funny that the car looks like it's peeping over the wall because it's up on the ramps. I think it looks like a nice garden ornament myself. Best not leave it like that for too long though. Otherwise I'm going to get a proper telling off.